I'm gonna give you an engine, low to the ground, extra big oil pans will cut the wind from underneath you. See? That'll give you...
Oh yeah, just needs cleaned up. Awesome deal with the guy here at Lexus. Damn, that's a lot better. It's got some curb rash, but we'll take care of it. Oh yes. That's what I'm talking about. All right, no, I am not at the bar. Yeah, obviously I'm not at the bar. I'm in my car, but I don't know, whatever. I'm in the damn car wash, so as you guys can now see, we're getting her cleaned up, and then I want to really see what it looks like all clean. I'm so happy I found this guy on Facebook Marketplace. I should be sponsored by Facebook. But I found this guy on Facebook Marketplace who just wanted to trade straight up. Sorry if you guys like can't hear me or some stuff, but traded me straight up for my rims for his. That's it. Works at Lexus. Been there for 14 years, so if I have any problems with him, I'll call you. I know where he works. So we're gonna get it cleaned up and see what we got. Super excited. Oh yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Light it into the Tahoe. Not too bad at all. So happy. There's me. Hello. Need curb rash fixed, painted. You can see, obviously, but we'll get it. It's a matter of time. Well, this van, mine broke down Tuesday, so this is just a spare, so I got a bunch of tools and shit just thrown everywhere. But been here for 3 weeks now. Really like it. It's me and BJ and the owner, so it's very small, very independent, very laid back. Enjoyed it a lot. I haven't found a job I like this much in a long time. Pays me really well. Company vehicle, I mean, leeway is crazy. Really is. But so I just knocked out a BMW 3 Series, fixed the seat belt. I guess somebody who had fixed it before messed it up. And now we have a 66 Mustang coming in on a trailer. and we're putting a front windshield and a back windshield in it. So pretty pumped about that, and waiting on standby for the boss to get here and for this Mustang to get here. So then I gotta get out and get a bunch of jobs done. So hurry up, Mustang. All right, Mustang's coming around. Let's see, oh my God. Red, I bet it's red. Yeah, girl, come on now.
Yeah.
Oh, that pinch was horrible. Sweet car. Still, the way it looks, still sweet. Oh, yeah. She birdie. So we're going to see if we need to get, if we're going to do this windshield here or not. There's a lot of work to be done. Just at the pinch weld, as you guys can see. So, I don't know, let's figure it out. Sounds like somebody's down there hand cranking it. Straight. There you go. There you go. You're good. A little bit, just a little bit. There you go. There you go. Just a little bit. A little bit. There you go. All right, guys, another day. It's Friday. We got a Land Rover in the shop, supercharged V8. I'm gonna try and throw a few short clips in here if I can of the exhaust. This baby is a beast. My wife owns a Land Rover Sport 4-cylinder turbo. Some bitch will run. I mean, I hit 133 in it and haven't shut it off yet. But this old girl right here, buddy, right here, supercharged. This motherfucker is a beast. Beautiful inside, gorgeous. Absolutely. Those brakes in it, baby. But we are about ready to put a Dura glass in it. Expensive. Bad news. No front windshield. Land Rover sent us a windshield for a Range Rover Evoque, and it's like 6 inches short. So this guy's got to wait over the weekend because all this urethane right here has to be set up and dried. If not, it'll destroy his interior. So looks like this baby is going to get touched up one day. Till then, let's get some jobs done.